Hi everyone. How's it going? Sinapon caught this fish. It's a Daggertooth conger pike. They knew that it has many bones and difficult to cook, so they were trying to release the fish. But it was so ferocious that it bit his fishing boots. He was so frightened that he gave up on releasing it and decided to eat it. I can understand that. If you get bitten by those teeth and get a death roll. "90 centimeters. It is pretty big." Daggertooth conger pike is eaten as a luxury food in Kyoto. However, it is said that it takes 10 years to master bone cutting. They have no experience in cooking or eating this fish, so this won't be a how-to video for you. Let's see how the cooking turned out, and hear what she's learned from this. Okay, let's go! Like conger eels, this fish was very slimy. So he used scotch, the kitchen sponge. The skin is thick and elastic, so it is difficult to cut with a knife. It already sounds like cutting bones. Yup. That is different from other fish Sinapon knows. Pull out the innards all at once. And wash to clean the fish. You only wash it once, so wash it well. And wipe off the water. Cut off the head behind the pectoral fins. You might want to cut off the head first, since the sharp teeth might hurt you. Cut it in half since it's too long for the cutting board. These waves in the meat aren't just patterns, but rather the outlines of bones. Many bones are lined up closely together. Once all the fillets are cut, it's time to cut the bones. I later learned that professionals make 26 cuts in 3 centimeters. In his case, I think he cut it about 10 times per inch. Sinapon did it worse. When she ate it, her mouth was full of bones. So she fried the rest. But the bones are bones. Skills that take 10 years to master cannot be mastered overnight. I can't believe this. She's gonna remove the bones. She still doesn't know the fish has 1,200 bones. Daggertooth conger pike is called hamo in Japanese. The kanji character for hamo is made up of fish and abundance. It should be written as fish and bones, or bones and abundance. I've never seen so many bones come out of such a small amount of fish meat.
永遠に続く。
It looks better with the bones cut. Sinapon, will you ever cook hamo again? I think you should. Thank you everyone for watching. We hope to see you in the next video.